Hi, my name is Eduardo Mário Mendiondo, professor at the University of São Paulo, Brazil. I am presenting the poster, How Can the Digital Water Globe Enhance Research Visibility and Improve Network Connectivity in a Society Under Transformation? The Digital Water Globe is an open tool free of charge developed by the International Association of Hydrological Science to its community participates in a very horizontal way, uploading their case studies, their data sets, the studies, profiles, and even projects and publications. The Digital Water Globe is collecting in a free way this experience coming from the community, especially for underrepresented groups, and especially early career scientists coming from Asia, Africa, and Latin America, and the Caribbean countries with Europe and the North America. The Digital Water Globe brings this reality into a more horizontal way. And these case studies introduce local problems with solutions, especially in this helping scientific decade. Hydrology engaging local people into a global world. This helping initiative with its subgroups is participating in the globe, trying to push different aspects of the reality of these developing countries with developing countries. Also, this Digital Water Globe has associate editors. We have now 6 early career scientists as associate editors coming from India, Latin America, African countries, Europe, and North America. And especially here in Roorkee, where I'm recording this video, is placing an atmosphere of exchanging experience through the Digital Water Club. So I invite you warmly to visit the IAHS and register in the Digital Water Club and upload your experience. Thank you.